Do you have a story you want to turn into a Hollywood standard script? Or maybe you want to earn money working as a freelancer online, but can't because you don't know how to format or structure a screenplay that meets industry standard. If that is the case, then this course is for you. After this course, you will be able to write a Hollywood standard screenplay using the formatting and structuring knowledge you gained from this course. Welcome everyone. My name is Mary Louisa. I teach screenwriting and also work as a freelancer. In this course, I'm going to teach you the basics of screenwriting. I'm going to break everything down and make it simple and easy for everyone taking this course to understand. This course is divided into two parts. Module 1, Formatting a Screenplay. Module 2, Structuring a Screenplay. Let's dive in.